Hi everybody, this is Micah Adler from Anyone Can Fundraise, and I'm excited to be here with you. I'm going to walk you through the Impact Playbooks that I've created, and you can see here there's a one-pager which is really well laid out, shows you exactly what the playbook provides. I'm going to show you again, if you sign up, you get for free this Day 1 Impact Playbook Kit, and I'm going to show you exactly what that is, just putting your name and email. Here, this is the Impact Playbook Kit, and it has a lot of great contents that will be helpful to nonprofits. These are the problems that this Impact Playbook will solve. You can find donors and grants quickly. It's going to show you how to use AI to do that. It will show you why don't know which AI tools to trust. There's tools within your own tool set that you can utilize that you probably already have at your organization that I'm going to go through. And then if you're worried about security and policy, we also have information on that. So there's a lot of great information. Just going to go one by one through what we have, and we'll go into more depth later through walkthroughs of these, but I just wanted to show you overall what's being offered. We have the Prospect Finder Mini Playbook. We have a Prospect Finder one-pager. This is going to show you how to find prospects in AI tools, whether it be OpenAI, Gemini, Copilot. You can use the same process to find prospects. I'll show you that. There's a one-pager for this. Here's the one-pager, and it's a Google Doc that's open to the public, and you can utilize that. In addition to that, we have a custom GPT. The one-pager here you can utilize in Gemini or Copilot. For this, we have a custom GPT, which you can use with OpenAI's ChatGPT, and it's created custom for finding donors. Then from there, you can go to the Grant Radar. Same thing, a one-pager, a custom GPT, and then in addition, we have video tutorials. There's a bunch of video tutorials. We'll have one for the mini playbook. We'll have one for the tech snapshot as well. The Copilot Gemini quick walkthrough, security quick start sheets for security checklists and AI checklists. And then we have these video tutorials. In the video tutorials, we have different videos that you can view, and they're connected to the different impact playbooks here. This is what we have, and excited to give you this information and to walk you through if you would make it useful for you, because the reality is that any information that you get's got to be useful, got to be easy to understand, and it's got to help you. And nonprofits are making the impact that we need, and doing the public works that we need, and they need help, and this is meant to do that quickly, easily, and for free. Thank you so much for your time, and just feel free to reach out to me anytime. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.